What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're going fishing. Yep, we're going lake fishing because that's what we have here in South Dakota Lake. We're not going on a boat or anything. We're just going regular fishing on the ramp. I picked up fishing sometime last year in the pandemic. I started fishing and I really like it. What I don't like though is being out there in the sun because I don't like the heat, but today's a cool day even though it's sunny. So I'm gonna go out there today and I'm gonna take you guys with me from start to finish. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Obviously we have to shave it down, but I'm gonna show you guys for the most part and see if we get a catch. So yeah, let's go. So here are the fishing lines and here is the bait. I mean, I've had some bait from the other day because like I said, it's not my first time going fishing this here or overall. I've gone fishing, so that's my bait. I have some left, not too much, but I think it's good enough. Then also here's the bucket. You need a bucket. It's kind of dirty, but I have soap in there to wash it out. I always wash it after every trip, so I put the soap in there. Once I get to the lake, I'll just wash it out. But here is the bucket, scoop for the bait. Yeah, so we're gonna head out. Gonna stop and get like a breakfast first though, because it's what, 8:30 in the morning. I haven't eaten, and being out there's nothing out there like food or so when you're close to the water you're hungry, so I gotta find some food to eat. So yeah, let's go. So we are by the lake now. That's the dock that we're going on. There's nobody there. It's cool out here, but the sun is like, whoa, it's bright and beautiful. But anyways, this is the lake. Beautiful lake. Beautiful lake. It's my fishing bag. I use a beach bag. I have my water, I have a wipes, I have a little orange juice that I just had from my breakfast. I still have a visor in here. I didn't even remember. I have my hooks and sinker because sometimes they break off in the water if you get a snag. And then I have these, so it's a little fishing bag tour real quick. Okay, so this is one of my line. I'm gonna put it together. It's kind of broken down. This is just hand soap to wash my hands. This, I don't know if you guys know what this is. Let's put it in the shade. You guys know what this is. Let's put it on the grass so we can see that it can lengthen out. But that's just the net. I don't know what it is. There's a special name for it, but it's the net that you use to pick up the fish if it's too big and you don't want it jump off the line. You just grab it up real quick with it. I'll show you guys. Hopefully I get a catch so I can show you guys. So that's the net. Here is my line. I gotta put my line. I gotta put it together. It's together. I don't have to tie it up or anything. We just break it down a little. Get nothing done with this camera in my hand. But anyways, going down on the dock, and I'm gonna just sit my thing. See, the dock has pretty much has a sitting area, and it has place for your drinks and place to put your fishing line. So I'm just gonna sit these here. What I'm gonna do is just run the hook through the minnows like that. I tried to run it to the fleshy part of his back, and then now I'm gonna swing it out there. I'm gonna sit that right in there. So after I throw it out there, I just sit that in there and kind of just let it sit. But I'm gonna do another one because I have two lines. Okay, so now again I just push the hook through the fish like that. And this is the line that I really love because this one goes far. This line here, and this is like a 10-pound. So now this one is gonna go real far. That one didn't go too far, so I just throw that out there like that and sit that right there like so. I'm sitting that. I don't even like to sit it over there, to be honest with you, because I always fear it might fall, so I kind of like to sit it down there. But anyways, so I have my two lines out there now. So once I get a fish, I'll come back and show you guys. But again, look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful, and it's cool out here even though you see the sun so much, but it's so beautiful. So my line has been sitting out there for like the past 20 minutes now since we got here. I didn't pull it in. So sometimes you have to pull it in and see if something ate your bait. And I don't think anything ate my bait because usually you can see the peak. So both my lines are sitting out there. One is right there and one is right there. Isn't it just beautiful? It's so peaceful by the water. I think I like coming out here not even to fish but just to be here. But anyways, I'm gonna roll in the line and then I'm gonna throw it out again. So my bait is still there. It has some stuffs on it, but I'm gonna throw it right back. So I threw them back out there. So let's see if we get anything. I'm excited to show you guys pick. I moved my other line over this way. If you can see it behind the mesh right there. I just sticked up the mesh because I didn't want to just laying around on the dock. But yeah, I throw it right over there. You have to have a license to fish. You have to buy a license. If you're a resident of the state, the yearly license is 40, like I think 48. If you're a non-resident, then it's like $99 or $102, something like that. You also can buy daily fishing pass, but it doesn't make sense. The daily fishing pass come up to like $12. So if every day you want to fish, you have to buy one. That work out way more expensive unless you just know that you really just want to fish one day, then it makes sense. But if you buy one for $40, then you fish all year. I bought mine in I think April, early April, and that's gonna go until I think January. It's good for January. So I think the fishing license goes for what that, a year? That's, yeah, 1 year. So yeah, so even December or so we can ice fish from it. So it's not free fishing, you have to actually pay, but once you pay you can be on any dock in the state. So you can fish anywhere in the state. If I want to fish out of state now, then I have to get another license for that state, but I can go to any dock, any lake in South Dakota and fish. So yeah, I just wanted to touch on the fishing license, but I'm still waiting on a pick, and once I get a pick, I'm just gonna put the camera on real quick, because once you get a pick you have to try and roll it in real quick if you don't want to lose your fish. So it's actually been over an hour since we're out here. Not a pick, not one. I've drawn it in and thrown out a couple of times, changed kind of position just between sideways and forward, but nothing, not even a pick. I've only had the same baits on, so nothing pick it off. You know, sometimes you'll get a pick, nothing. We're getting nothing out here. So I'm thinking of probably leaving, and we're talking about going to the river, but the river is not like this. I love this beauty. The river is always dirty and there's dirt, and when I go to the river my shoes get real dirty. See how dirty my shoes are? These got dirty from the river. If I ever go to the river, my shoes is gonna come looking terrible. Look at that dirt. If I go to the river, it's gonna be worse. I really honestly don't like going to the river. Plus the fish at the river, they're different. Like here you can get walleye, bass, northern and stuff like that. Perch, sunfish, it's in the lake. In the river I've only seen catfish, carps, what else we caught? Northern. People, I've never caught a northern in the river, but a man caught a northern while we were there and gave it to me because I like the northern. But I was hoping to catch fish here, and I just like this beauty, and I kind of feel like it's a waste leaving without even catching a fish, because I've been sitting in the sun, trust me, but it's hot. It's getting hotter. It's probably like 70 degrees now. For me that's hot, but I'm wearing my cap, I'm wearing my hoodie and everything. So yes, I'm trying to see if I catch 2 fish, but we're not getting any pick. But usually, you know, you get pick in the mornings, then they kind of stop, then you'll get pick like at lunchtime. I feel like the fish eat like people. Sometimes you get pick morning, then they go away on their little break, then they get pick lunchtime, they go away on their little break, and then you get pick in the dinner time, like 6 or so. But if I leave here today, I'm not coming back. I just wanted even one fish for this video, because it's not about for eating the fish today, because I have fish in my freezer, but I wanted even one for this video. The one day I decided to vlog. Every day I come out here I catch fish. The one day I decided to vlog, but also it's the first time coming out here this time in the sun to fish. I don't know what got into me this morning, but yeah, but we still trying. Oh, it's a catfish.
You know, let it go, you know?
Why?
No one.
Okay. Focus. Can't believe that line dry thing. I was running because I was moving to another spot. And she called me. My line got picked. So, see, that's my line. So this is why the net is good. Because it's like my line couldn't pull it up. It's so big. It's a big old catfish. Come look at it. Come. Big old catfish. Look at it. Look at it. Big old catfish. They're ugly. Big catfish. They're damn ugly. And I don't like them, but she wanna keep it. I don't like catfish. I tried it for the second time the other day, and I really don't like it. But these are the ones that you actually catch in the river. Catfish. They're also in the lake. But she said she's keeping it. I don't care. Usually I would let that go. Well, no. I've never caught a catfish before, right? This is my first time catching a catfish. And if it was just me, I would let it go. But she said she want to keep it. So we'll keep it. But, whoa. Look at it. See it wiggle out the net? It's an ugly ass fish. Look. But people love catfish though. Some people love catfish. My first catch, a catfish. I didn't care for any catfish though, but I thought it was a walleye too. It looked like a walleye in there. No walleye. It looked like a silver bass. It looked like a silver bass. But yeah, that's my first catch. But I'm excited because I got to show you guys something. Okay, so that's it, Olan. That's it. I'm gonna let it go. So right before I let it go, look how ugly that shit is. I don't love it. I don't love it, but so I'm gonna let it go. But I'm gonna take a couple pictures. Try to get like the good fish, like a walleye or something.
Chill, bro. I'm trying to take you, trying to throw your ass back.
But that's a big fish, though. Probably we throw it back. Look at it. Oh, it's floating up.
It's gonna go.
It's probably gonna die. But we throw it back.
Just trying to get this
back in the water.
There you go. There you go. There you go. See it?
Yeah, it's swimming. Big old catfish. This is my first time catching a catfish. And I tried catfish. One time long ago, I tried catfish, but it was in a restaurant. And then recently, I tried catfish a couple of times. And I really don't love it. I don't like it, to be honest with you. So I don't want to carry it home. I maybe would fillet it same place here if I had my chopper. But I don't have the chopper. So let it go. You let it go. So we didn't catch any fish here except for the catfish. So what we're about to do is just leave. We are leaving this lake and we're gonna just stop at another lake for a little bit just to see if we get a fish just for this video. See if we get a couple of fish for this video. So on to the next lake. So as you can see here, I'm burnt and really tired and I haven't caught any more fish. I haven't even gotten another pick. So I'm gonna call it a day. Maybe I'll come back later. If I'll just continue this video. If not, I'm just gonna edit this and post it and then I'll do another fishing video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you again. Mwah!